Hey, so if you want to track customer activity in HubSpot in 2026 and understand how your contacts interact with your business, this guide will walk you through everything step by step. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, make sure your account has CRM access so you can see contact activity. To start, go to the Contacts tab from the top menu. Here you'll see a list of all your contacts. Click on any contact to view their detailed activity timeline. The activity timeline shows emails sent and opened, calls made, meetings scheduled, form submissions, website page visits, and notes added by your team. This gives a complete picture of how the contact interacts with your business. You can filter activities by type or date to focus on specific interactions. For example, check only email opens or website visits to understand engagement patterns. Yeah, this helps prioritize follow-ups effectively. Use the sequences feature to automate follow-ups based on activity. For example, if a contact opens an email but doesn't respond, you can automatically send a follow-up email or assign a task to your sales team. HubSpot also allows you to track interactions across deals and tickets. Click on associated deals or service tickets to see how the contact's activity connects to your sales or support process. For more insights, use custom views or saved filters to segment contacts based on activity. You can see which contacts are highly engaged, which are inactive, or which need attention. Finally, check analytics dashboards for overall activity trends. HubSpot reports show metrics like emails opened, calls completed, and website visits, helping you identify patterns across all contacts. And that's it. By exploring contact timelines, filtering activity, using sequences, and checking dashboards, you can track customer activity in HubSpot effectively and make data-driven decisions. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.